Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to be talking about the new NQ automated strategy. We are giving it a free trial period to anyone who owns the gasoline trader. Okay, that's our other software that we're selling today. I'll just give you a little recap of that real quick. Took one short, made about 600 on one contract. Another short made like another 50, and then one short about a break even, so up about 625 bucks today. That's one contract. You can trade two if you want, well, as many as you'd like really, but that was on one contract, so pretty good day. But back to the NQ. Anyone who owns the gasoline trader will be getting a free trial period until December 25th. That is when we plan on releasing the actual NQ algo. Is right around December 25th, and that will be open to the public for everyone. Okay, there will be limited spots as well for a specific reason, but no need to get into that right now, as we'll be talking about. Just, it's a free trial right now. There's nothing to worry about. You guys can use it on a sim if you want, test it out for a few weeks. It'll run the exact same on a sim. You can run it on an eval if you'd like, again, for the gasoline trader people. So if you did want to use this strat, then you could go buy the gasoline trader for the month, and also use the gasoline trader on top of getting the strat here for a couple weeks for free. Okay, so kind of a 2-for-1 there if you want to try out both. Okay, that's on the website. There's about 5 spots left for that. But yeah, this is just, we'll do a little recap of past 2 days here. So past 2 days, it's up like about 3K, maybe about 3,500, which is really good. Okay, I think maximum drawdown was probably about 2,500, maybe a slightly more, 3K, and that's, I'm trying to incorporate in my mind the open P&L, the trailing threshold. Something I want you to note is it was built around end of day drawdown. Okay, so we're not entirely sure how it's going to go with Apex evaluations with that trailing threshold, because that can really screw you up. It was built for the end of day. Okay, so keep that in mind. Yeah, today these were the trades. We'll go over them. It did take, well, let's start with yesterday. So pretty sure it actually took a trade here in this big red bars of Renko here. But because we're so far away, it didn't track those. But the trades mainly yesterday, one contract win, that's about 12 points. So 12 points is roughly 250 bucks. Okay. So another 250, 500, 750 bucks, and a small, that'd be about a $600 loss right here. So up about 150, but yesterday actually you were up quite a bit more. It was up like $1,000 yesterday. Because there was trades here. Okay, and we posted that profit in the Discord, and then because of this short loss here, it took a trade this morning pre-market, 4 contracts because of this loss last night. Okay, so it uses previous data, and it took a win. So started off today, that was about $750, $800 gain plus or minus. Okay, and then another, this was a small win, 6 points. This one, 12 points, 12 points, 12 points. So I believe my P&L disappeared because it's the end of the day now, but I believe it was up right around 1,600 bucks today. Okay, and yesterday was also a pretty green day. So very good day. Something I want you to note, okay, remember, built for end of day drawdown. You're free to do it on whatever you'd like. Okay, we're going to send out 2 versions of it. Okay, listen closely. One of the versions is going to be, there's a opening range breakout that it takes trades off of. Okay, opening range breakout, and that usually we have it set to take 3 contracts because it has such a high probability of winning. Okay, if you don't want to take that risk of 3 cons, where if it does lose, you'd probably lose $1,800. Okay, then you can use the other one, which is just going to take a 1 contract. Okay, again, they're high probability, but that's up to your risk tolerance. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's up to you. But yeah, the backtest results on this are a lot different. Let me see if I can find the screenshots here that we have. So let me pull these up. These are the screenshots. These are the backtests of the strategy over the past year. Okay, let me pull up the other screenshot here. 133K in total net profit. Max drawdown 6,400, but actually this is with a version that was again slightly tweaked before. So the version that you guys will be getting, about the same profit, but the max drawdown is right around 5K. Okay, remember that is total loss. That doesn't include trailing threshold. Okay, so if you're including you're up 2 grand in a trade, let's say, and then you are down 2 grand, then that obviously this does not incorporate that. Okay, but these are the stats for it. Okay, very good. You can see max consecutive winners 29, max consecutive losers 3. So that'd be, you know, a 1 contract, a 4 contract, a 12 contract, which rarely happens with this. It rarely happens. I mean, you can see here though, the max drawdown would be 5K. Okay, that's with the new version you guys will be getting, and you can just check here. Very steady increase in P&L. And remember, this trades every single day, right? You don't need to trade every single day. I really wouldn't recommend probably trading it, you know, on FOMC days. Those are going to be choppy. Non-farm payroll days. Those are going to be choppy. Maybe even CPI days, right? PPI days. You're going to want to take some of those days into consideration. Mainly FOMC and CPI will probably affect it the most, as well as non-farm payroll. So I would be very careful on those days, but remember the drawdowns and stuff, that is all included every single day. It traded every single day, okay, including news. So keep that in mind. But very good profits there. We'll also be giving, I believe, the ES strategy. Okay, so ES strategy been working very good. The back test, I don't have screenshots because I don't even have it yet. But the ES one, let me find where he said it. I believe the profits was about 48,000, so not as good as NQ, obviously. ES just doesn't have as good of price action. And the ES drawdown was about 4,400. Okay, so not the greatest P&L, right? Profit total for the year, but still pretty good, obviously. And you know that the ES one will be cheaper once we fully release that one. It'll be quite a bit cheaper than the NQ one, so just a heads up with that as well, just because the NQ one obviously makes quite a bit more. So keep that in mind. So that's really all you need to know for that. Okay, we're gonna post the settings that you should be using. It's gonna auto adjust your time. It's going to auto adjust your time, so you're not going to need to change the time. All you'll need to change is the stop loss intraday, things like that. It'll look like this. You're just going to change the stop loss intraday, take profit. Okay, that's going to be it there. And yeah, it's really built for a 150K account or higher, and again, end of day drawdown. So potentially, you know, trade day is what he's been using it on, and he's passed 2 evals with this, and already up quite a bit on a funded. So remember, if you guys want access to this, go grab the gasoline trader. You'll get kind of a 2-for-1 for the month until we fully release this, which would be around December 25th. So really good profits, up a couple $1,000s. I think about 3K in the past 2 to 3 days. So pretty good. And that is all I have for you guys today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and join the Discord if you're interested in this, or go subscribe to the Gasoline Trader. I'll see you guys.